It has been created.
Ah, fuck, you distract me and I'm sad.
Can someone please come with me through Sydney's fucking shit?
Hey,
I
Brennan,
can
look
do
at
it.
my go live. Wait, I'm not go living.
I
Alright.
can do it.
No, I
You're
am
just gonna have to
go-living.
give me a second to replant the cocoa beans real quick and then chest my stuff.
Alright, Brennan,
No,
look at
no,
my
no,
go
I don't
live.
need to
Look
chest
at
my
the
stuff.
walls. It's just pitch black, like the void.
Here is
I
some
don't need to
advice
chest
so
my
you
stuff.
don't get sad if you die while using the nether transportation system.
I mean, I
Pay
probably
attention.
will. But
Pay attention to where you're walking. You'll fucking die and fall into lava and lose your items you have on you.
I won't fall into. I hope.
So keep in mind this isn't like another hub, it just like shows where you need to go to get to the other portal.
Alright.
So here we are in the nether. Alright, so first things turn this way. This is the direction to get to my place.
Do I just follow the oak wood?
Yeah, just follow the Oakwood path and get to the portal to my place. By the way, I don't recommend like sprint jumping. You might jump off. Yeah, then I just did like a pretty simple, just like follow the wood and you'll eventually get there.
Alright.
Pretty sick. Then there's the portal. This whole glass thing I made beforehand so you fucking fall off and die. But yeah,
Alright.
we got the portal to my place, baby.
Yay!
And you don't have to walk several thousand blocks to get to my fucking place anymore.
Yes, indeed. Is this the Fletcher? Yep, it's a master.
Yeah. The other Fletcher here is a novice.
Alright, I need to make some emeralds somehow.
But if you want to buy ender pearls, you can buy them from my cleric.
Alright. Who are you? You're
The cleric is the guy wearing the pink jacket, by the way. If he lives like...
Is this the cleric?
No.
Oh.
This is the cleric right here. This guy.
This guy, alright. Oh, neat. But I need emeralds. How would you recommend I get emeralds?
Trade with him. Or trade with the Fletcher. You can do the Sydney stick method where you just mine a bunch of trees, turn them into sticks, give them to the Fletcher to get emeralds.
Alright, I'll be right back with a bunch of bamboo sticks.
Okay. No, not...
Well, bamboo can be turned into sticks.
Sure. Is anyone even still there besides that?
Yeah, I'm still here.
I think Sydney's just working on his house or
No, he's just standing still.
Oh. He might be talking to Finley through text or something.
Oh,
Oh no, he is getting food. You can hear his door open.
Hey guys,
Hi.
can someone help me build the roof of the little bit of the roof of the house I'm making? Cause whoever helped me, I'll pay with enchantments.
What enchantment?
I don't really need enchantments.
What enchantment?
Well, I have silk touch, and sharpness 5.
Well, I'm right next to you, so
Alright, you lost your mending
I'll
book.
help
Dude,
you.
I fucking predicted that something would happen to your mending villager before it happened, because that's when I bought like 3 extra mending books that I did. So I'm just saying, I have mending books that are for sale.
I hate Street Man.
I think I'm lost.
Why would you do this?
Oh, never mind.
Okay, so, what do you want?
Alright, so, You see the roof right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I need help building it because it's taking a really long time. Like you see all of it's right here. All of that took 1 hour.
Okay, give me wood.
Give him
Here's
wood.
that. Oh fuck. And then I need to go. Oh god, I just looked at my skin while pressing E.
I almost fell into lava.
Wait, hold on.
Oh my god, I just had a.
Yeah,
don't do
I'm gonna-
that. You will die.
Alright, there we go. Back here. I would
What
help
the
you,
fuck is
Sydney,
in
but
our
right now
library?
I'm gonna try and make some emeralds.
That's what I fucking wanted too. Oh, that's so annoying. Oh, god damn it.
So, sorry, Sydney, but I'm making emeralds and stuff. Next time I'll be able to help you, though.
Alright.
I fucking got an I got one of those Unbreaking 3 villagers, but problem is I don't fucking need this villager because he's one of the water villagers from my dome.
Oh?
So he's just floating in water and can't find his way to the village. But I don't want to get rid of him. Can you put villagers on leads?
Yes, you can put them on boats, though, and I think that's better than leads, I'm pretty sure.
I'll try leads for now. I have some extra ones.
Oh god damn it, Steven.
What?
That
What did
pig
I
over
do?
there just got struck by lightning.
Oh wait,
Oh.
you can't. What the fuck? Because it's
Wait,
just,
what?
you just end up interacting with them.
Sydney, are you saying that the sheep thing caught on fire?
No, the pig.
Oh.
Just a wild pig got struck by lightning.
Doesn't
No,
that turn them into pigmen?
Yeah,
Hmm?
turns them into zombified piglins. Also, why do they have to get rid of zombie pigmen? That just doesn't make sense.
No. I'm pretty. They're still in the game.
Really? But I'm
Yeah, it only happens through pigs getting struck by lightning.
so otherwise they're just zombified piglins.
Yes.
Damn.
What?
mean,
No, our house got struck.
All right, well,
Oh.
I'm going to use the classic water bucket method to bring my villager to
All right,
land.
I fixed it.
Oh my god, I make so many bamboo sticks.
No,
You know
that's
what?
just
I'm gonna
chunk-
make some lightning rods.
That's
Because
just
this
sinking
is
my bow.
these are not safe working conditions. And also, if this entire place catches on fire and ends up burning down, that would not be good.
Would not be good.
Because this is so much wood.
Alright, well, come here, villager. You're going to the village, fucking idiot. Get up on that land. Yeah, walk around. Well, first thing he's doing, walking into someone else's house. Classic. What the fuck? What is happening? What is happening? Why is the water duplicating itself? What the fuck is this? Guys, I think I've just made an accidental, like, completely unlimited water source. That cannot be destroyed. Like, physically, it literally cannot be destroyed.
Oh,
Because
how?
it doesn't have a source, but it also doesn't have an end. It's just water. And anytime I destroy one of the blocks that's like keeping it in place and getting rid of the water, it just fucking comes back out again.
What?
So I guess I'm just gonna have these hay bales sitting here now. Alright, I managed to scrounge some stuff together to get an Unbreaking 3 enchantment book.
You're right, Aristotle. These aren't safe working conditions.
You're just standing still. What are you doing, Sydney?
Eating ice cream.
Fuck you.
Oh yeah, Aristotle. If you need more wood, just tell me.
Wait, Sydney, do you still have that efficiency 4 villager?
No,
Aw, fuck. You should get an efficiency 4 villager.
that's easier said than done.
Try getting one instead of building a fucking house.
Hold on, I'm eating ice cream.
Oh shit. Eating ice cream.
My dog
What?
died. Hold on, I'm eating ice cream.
Wait, yo, what? What the fuck? His dog died? His dog literally passed away?
And we'll never see him again.
He's eating
Sorry. I'm eating chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream.
Fuck you.
That's quite the combination.
Grandma's gone.
Grandma's gone.
Sorry, I'm eating ice cream.
Grandma's gone.
She's never coming back. Oh, you're eating ice cream? My bad. I'll never do it ever again, I swear.
Oh, fuck.
This fucking villager, does he know there's an open bed in this village?
Stop. Oh. Why is Aristotle just ramming into me?
I want wood.
Oh, it's... Oh. How was I supposed to know that? Oh, I can't grab
here's
it.
here's the good Fletcher. Yeah. Ow! Why?
Get spectral arrowed.
Please don't do that.
Loser, you have an outline now. Where the fuck is the other Fletcher?
The novice one or
He's
the
dead.
good one?
He's not coming back.
The novice one. He's just
I
gone.
don't know.
He's
I don't know. I accidentally interacted with him and then I don't know what happened.
He's run away.
He ran away from home.
Not
Well,
completely
never
impossible,
mind.
but I feel like I would know where he is.
See, this kind of pisses me off. My fucking Fletcher is selling literally the shittiest arrow possible. An arrow of invisibility.
I love making my enemies
Oh
harder
yeah,
to hit.
I love making my enemies have an advantage.
If it was like a fucking potion of harming thing, then that'd be fucking really good, but it's not. It's just shit. It seems like that's like the dilemma you get with Fletchers. You either get a really good dipped arrow or a really shit one. Like
Alright,
imagine
there we
Invisible
go.
arrows.
or strength 2.
There we
Gives
go.
your enemy an
It
giant
is-
advantage.
Come back here, I want
regeneration.
arrows. Yeah,
Like when are you shooting your
now.
enemy? When are you shooting your friends to give them an advantage?
Hey, Brendan, I have a crossbow now. No, don't hit me with spectral arrows!
Get spectral arrowed, loser.
No, you're bullying me.
I can see your outline. You're fat as shit.
I hit your,
Yeah.
I hit
I
your
thought this
mama
game was
with
supposed to be a
I
block
hit
game,
your
not a
mama
circle
with a
game.
spectral arrow. I didn't know she could be higher than the block limit.
I thought I hit a circle, not a spectral. Not your mom.
I thought I hit a circle. Oh god.
Hey Sydney, come to my village.
Steven, come on, it's called Minecraft, but I can't be crafting with your fat fucking ass in the way.
I
Come
don't
to
know
my
whether
village.
to thank you
Yeah,
or
he's
to
trying
be
to eat ice
disgusted.
cream, but your fat fucking ass is in the way, you fucking bitch.
Bitch.
Sydney, come to my village.